and welcome to 3D Printed Soup. I love card games. The problem with card games is you get decks of cards, and how do you store them? Do you put a rubber band around them? It's going to damage the edges. Do you put them in those little plastic sleeves that make them a pain in the ass to play with? Maybe you use a cardboard case, but they look a bit tacky and no, I don't really like them. Let's see if we can't 3D print something which makes it a little bit more personalised and a little bit more magic. So that is my unique, hand-painted, 3D printed Magic the Gathering card case. Fits 60 cards and a couple of dice as well. So yeah, absolutely loving that, and it doesn't have to be for Magic the Gathering. You can print this out and use it for pretty much any kind of deck of cards you want to. I've put a link to the pattern from Thingiverse in the description of this video. Once again, thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. If you like it, please put a thumbs up. If you don't, put a thumbs down. If you hate Magic the Gathering, put a thumbs down. If you love it, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe so you know when I'm putting up my next video, and click the notification button so you don't miss it.